Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add comments for Python 3. So comments can be used to explain Python code as well as make the code more readable. So we'll start here by creating a new code cell, and we'll create a variable Python_str, which equals to Python is an object-oriented programming language, and we'll print this as output. So print Python_str. And so this is a string here that we're working with. So we can add a comment here before we create a variable. So comments in Python begin with a hash mark followed by a white space character and continue until the end of the line. So we'll create the comment, create a variable. And so if we run this comment here is not actually executed with the code. We can also add inline comments. For this print statement, we'll add this will print the string for the variable Python_str. So comments are made to help programmers, whether it is the original programmer or someone else using or collaborating on the project. And comments can also be used to prevent execution when testing the code. So we can comment out this print statement like so. So when we run this, the print statement here is now no longer executed when we run the code block. So this is how to add comments for Python 3.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.